India has been warming up to Korean pop culture in the past few years. Many K-pop bands and K-dramas piqued Indians' interest in learning about their culture and trying out Korean cuisines. So what if I can't travel to Korea right now? I could get the taste of it in Kerala right here in the capital city, Thiruvananthapuram. Today I have come to Cricket Shack in Karakootam with Adira to try Korean food at their recently organized food festival. The cafe's chef, Mahesh, was trained under a Korean chef when he worked with the Marriott. So this was something that came naturally.
See, youngsters, they are the social media generation. So they see what is new, what is happening the world over. Plus one more thing, what helped us more is band BTS, because a lot of youngsters are into this BTS, and so now they think, okay, Korean food, it's hip. That's what brings in the youngsters.
Korean food is primarily based on vegetables, rice and seafood. Cricket Shack had a customized menu to introduce us to some of the unique dishes of Korea.
We have a set of 4 starters. 4 of them are unique. For example, we have a crispy noodle seafood. In that, the noodles actually is handmade. We tried to get the exact Korean noodles in Trivandrum, which we are unable to do. So it's a handmade noodles that we do here.
The food fest had 4 starters and we tried their crispy noodle seafood rolls and spicy chicken skewer. The seafood roll was delicious and unique, and the chicken skewer was spicy and juicy. It was worth a try. In soups, what we tried was kimchi and mustard sprout soup.
Soup is not actually served in small soup cups, what you find in normal restaurants. It's actually served in a bowl. A bowl of soup can actually feed 3 people, up to 3 people.
And wow, we didn't know this dish had so many flavors in it. It's a healthy and deliciously light-tasting soup. By the way, did you know that Korean food is considered healthy? The chef tells you why.
Korean food, it's more of to do with sesame oil and garlic and stuff like that. So it's considering, when you compare it with the continental dish, of course it is more healthier. But then one flip side to it is, some of the dishes are really spicy for even our Indian taste. Then we have the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is something that we don't use it because sometimes the smell actually puts us away. But when it comes into the Korean food preparation, it takes it to a different level.
Like our traditional meals, Korean food also comes with lots of side dishes. You might have probably seen it in many Korean web series or K-dramas. One such popular dish is kimchi. It has got a sour taste, but there's something addictive about the flavor.
Korean kimchi is entirely different from the ones that you find elsewhere. Because Korean kimchi is made with Chinese cabbage, and the sauce is actually fermented. And we actually salt the cabbage and keep it overnight so it becomes tender. The next day we rub it with sauce, and then we keep it for like next 3 days. Actually, it's supposed to be kept for 3 weeks, so it ferments.
Next in line was the main course, and here's what we tried. Stir-fried beef and mustard sprout, spicy chicken stew, and kimchi fried rice. Now let's talk about the cafe. As the name suggests, Cricket Shack is specialized for those who love cricket. Cricket lovers will love this eatery, wholly dedicated to everything cricket. It has got cricket jerseys, autographed bats and balls, old photographs of cricket players. There's also an open stage if you wish to sing and strum your guitar. The cafe also has their in-house band entertaining you while you try their delicious food. Their open deck lets you enjoy beautiful sunsets and is now one of the top hangout places in Karakoram. Coming to the Cricket Shack for the food festival turned out to be a great idea. Cricket Shack and their sister concern Madison Street hosts many food festivals every month. If you love food, make sure you try such food festivals, which is an opportunity to try new cuisines from different parts of the world.